Now, I couldn't videotape a burger going into me. I wanted to show you exactly how all this works, but we're gonna use this little model. After you chew well and swallow, food is pummeled by your stomach and then squished into the small intestine. Enzymes lie in the villi like scissors and cut food up into tiny pieces. When food touches the villi, enzymes break it into smaller and smaller bits until it's safe to bring it inside. Scissory enzymes on the villi touch the burger and break it up into smaller and smaller bits, until finally they're small enough to go inside the body.
Yum, burger.